to edit blog posts on Wix. So you want to go to your Wix website editor right here, and then you can just choose any of the posts that you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this one on this create unique handmade jewelry, and you want to click on it until there was saying manage posts, and then you want to click on it, and it will automatically take you to dashboard. And then right here on the post section, you can just choose any post that you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this one. You can just click on edit, and there you go. Right here, you can just edit your own post. Right here at the top of your screen, you can just use this tool to change the typing of your post. And right here at the left side of your screen, you can choose to add any of the additional image or video or GIF or something like HTML code if you need it, Wix monetize and SoundCloud. And you can, if for example, delete the image of the post, you can just click on the image and then choose this delete. You can also choose AI tools to help you make your blog posts more easy, and then go to settings to change your author names of the post, and then also the image of the post, the main image of the post that's gonna be the thumbnail of your post. And then you can also customize the SEO settings as you like, and do a monetize if you have a pro plan of the Wix, and then choose to translate the post if you aim for the international visitor, and also use some apps from Wix. And then after you've done with your editing, you don't need to click on save because it will automatically saving the change, and you just need to click on publish, so the change that you've made is publishing to everyone that visit your website. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.